Ever wished you could see Minecraft from a different angle? Today, we're diving into how to master the camera view in both Java and Bedrock editions, unlocking new ways to experience your blocky adventures. First up, let's tackle Java edition. The easiest way to switch views is by pressing the F5 key. Each press cycles through first person, third person front, and third person back. Just keep tapping F5 until you find the view that suits you best. First person is great for building, third person front gives you a wider view of your surroundings, and third person back lets you admire your character's skin. But wait, there's more. You can customize these views even further. Go to options, then control scroll down until you see change perspective. Here you can rebind F5 to any key you prefer. Now for Bedrock edition, the process is similar but with a slight twist. On PC, the F5 key works exactly the same as Java, but on consoles or mobile devices, you'll need to access the settings. Open your settings menu and find the camera perspective option. It's usually under the video tab. Here you can manually select first person, third person front, or third person back. Just tap the option you want, and the view will change instantly. This is perfect for getting a better look at your builds, recording cinematic videos, or just experiencing the game in a fresh way. Experiment with different views to find what works best for you. Now go forth and explore the world of Minecraft from every angle.